Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find the fuel pump fuses and relays on GMC Terrain. I'm talking about that generation right here, guys, from year 2010 to 2017. Please do not waste your money on new fuel pump on diagnostics parts tools until you watch that video, because it could be quite simple fix. And guys, by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. For the fuel pump, which fuses, relays we need to check? Come guys, we will show you on that generation GMC Terrain right here. Fuel pump is right there, guys. So quick advice, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why, guys, we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the hood facing the engine. On the right side here, on the driver's side, you see that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have a tab here, a tab there. Squish it together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find the fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, we're going to start by checking two main fuses that you need to check that are responsible for the fuel pump. One of them is, guys, known as fuse number 46. So if you come in this row of fuses right here, you see that 10 fuse right here on the very top, guys. This is fuse number 46. This is the first fuse that we'll need to check, okay? And the next one is fuse number 52. That's the main fuse right here, fuse number 52. Now, you do not have a relay specifically dedicated for the fuel pump or a fuel pump control module. That's why the fuel pump control module practically does that job. But you may want to check, if you still have problems with the fuel pump, check fuses and relays for the engine computer as well, and the body control module. If you do not know where those fuses are located, we'll have the video on the channel that will teach you step by step where to find them as well, guys. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.